No. I fail, guys. On all the episodes that she has been on that podcast, she's been degrading women. Guys, Khanela Machawalondi.
When Minnie came for her, they said Bangomu Buli.
Wale bala khala ka pele jam baby dido ra munyala sanya go munyala. O di gore re mo go botse le jama di mo TV. Wa. Re to mo botsa mathata ga mo. Gore yena le mma khala ba seka gore mmola nyale. Nagana le gapele jam motho anya. A le go nyala motho la ke bachelor o nyoko sheka le boule. Hibo.
Damn.
I've got a lot.
No matter
Asiona. Le ga ba dine o dileng a ke nya go tseba ga nyela everything ele dine o e dileng mo lefaseng wrong ke phumuji because of what she did.
No. Ya go no mimbarasa ka mogolo wa do tsoga go mimbarasa.
Wa tsoga wa re o mamta go bra ka yena.
Khanti yena to go imbara. A jole dine o mo fetše ka re ya se a se mo fetše dine o ka ra ga yelo concert. A mo fetša.
Yeah.
Concert yena ka mka.
Ilo ba Londi. Go to ga re thoma.
24 hours la Durban go like DJ le no ba dineo. Asa bushele di mantswe re kon asa repeat mantswe. A mo fetša ka re yes girl. Fetše. She came for you. Fetše.
And then all of you Londi's friends, all of you, tell her the truth. Stop buying face. Stop buying face. Stop buying face. You know it's wrong. It's wrong in many levels, in all angles, in protector and bottomers rule, left and right. I'm fura. Londi, you're a mean girl. You're a mean girl. And you premeditated that move you pulled on that podcast.
Yes.
You premeditated. You planned it. You knew.
Yes. People know what they are doing. Believe them from the beginning. They know what they are doing. Mutai tadi and just over just about to I think he's thinking to over it.
Guys, stop being mean. Stop being mean. And I don't do it. Now I send Chelaga drink real housewives. I the camera do the Kitojo trapa. Kitojo trapa no more. One room tumpana. You don't want to tumpa dumbela. You don't know tumpas Ramhano, Kananagan Suga. Pare Doro bullfight a guy, I get carry. The fact that she went and deleted that shameless video, Daba I fail. I fail, guys. I fail. I fail. Go and apologize every day of your life. You are wrong. The whole South Africa is disappointed in you. Utsekisha batori ba ga batho. Utsekisha baby daddy ya ga batho ba busy ba screenshot la baby daddy ya ga di video tshela ba busy ba mo screenshot ela mo ba mo romela moki. O boledi wa kudu ka batho. Kore go tsena go ngolong conversation kwena.
You know, guys, I think Udoro is the friend that we all need. She's a need. You understand? Or she's the ex-friend because apparently they are no longer friends, or they have friendship. But the fact that she's standing up for Udineo now and she's standing up for what is wrong, this is wrong and this cannot happen to my friend, it shows good she has a good heart, guys. So nazo izindaba ukuthi kahle kahle la kulwela umfana the guy umuntu lo ojela noLondi. So kusho ukuthi the guy uthandane noLondi London while he was in a relationship with Udineo. So Udineo, being the woman that she is, being the woman that she knows her standard, what decided to know what since ujola noLondi, I'm not gonna fight with you. I'm not gonna fight with Londi. Ithi ngikuyeke uchubeke noLondi. So yayibona mina yonke lenkinga ngicalisa umfana. So mhlambe there are things umfana azitshela uLondi, you'll never know. You know abafana bastoti kanjani. Mhlambe uyamtshela ukuthi uDineo usangithanda or whatsoever. But that doesn't give uLondi the right of what she did. uLondi was wrong, and uLondi lento bekayenzile. I feel like nami ngifila njengoDora. I feel like uDineo kayitholanga the justice that uLondi got the time umini ampulisha. I just feel like that. Because how can you go on a podcast unprovoked, decide ukuthi omunye umuntu ufana nehashi, guys? Nehashi. And the sad part, she's the one who started the topic. You know, since iqalile the podcast le noLondi, not this one, she was invited and school abo make she the Monday episode. Le yabo. I'm telling you, this girl has been off-raming, and this girl has been degrading women. Noma ngabe bangakhulumi with like abantu maybe like this instead, but each and every topic eveza abafazi, you can show this is not a woman, this is not a girl's girl. Uzathi bakhulunywa ngabafana, she'll be always standing up for men. Yazi unama-tendencies abantu abanama-daddy issues, and the sad part, both parents usisi lo uthi ukhule in a loving family. I do not know. Yabona le nto ukuthi uthandana nabantu abanemali, then they abuse you, because one thing about dating rich men, when you are not rich, bazodlala ngama-emotions wakho nengcondo yakho, then you feel unworth. What uLondi did, it was so wrong, but I love the fact that uDora stood up for a friend like, and I love the fact in few of the influencers, uDora is one of the few influencers who said this is wrong and I'll do live about this thing. And I feel like this thing yaka Londi is to keep ama laundries, the dirty laundries so Londi, because yabona kancane izindaba zaphuma, kancane izindaba kasaphuma. So I don't think she has this coming, and the best thing that she can do on the next podcast, le yabo ke naboShamiz avele akhuluma inhliziyo yakhe axolise. Makhuluma inhliziyo yakhe axolise, ayikhuluma lama-topic angabhadlanga. I don't watch that podcast, but I feel like I don't watch the podcast because of uLondi. From the clips that I'm seeing ezenza ama-round kubo TikTok, you could see ukuthi there's nothing ozoyibukela lapha. Ayikho into ebhora in 2026 ukuthi uzobukela i-podcast yomuntu ofuna ama-views ngokukhuluma into wrong. No, I think we are over that in podcasting. Khuluma iqiniso the way lingakhona. Now I feel like abantu bafuna iqiniso the way lingakhona. Ungakhuluma into just because you want to trend. No. I don't think she understands the nature of podcasting or the nature of podcasting now. Or abantu, they so wanna be Umekchi so deep that they are doing wrong things. Umekchi may always trend for wrong things, but the reasoning behind that thing you can understand. That's why bakhona my understand and stand up for him. Maqala lento ecancel what. You understand? So I feel like nabo mhlawumbe la ifuna ukufana noMekchi asho izinto wrong nabo Sifiso azod, I don't know, but what she's doing what she's doing now, it will destroy ibrand yakhe. Mela look at the bigger picture ukuthi before everything I'm a businessman, I'm a businesswoman, I'm also a mom, because lento ile upusha isinkwa sakaMekchi ababulala isinkwa sabantwana bakhe. So into engcono ezosiza umini, because I don't understand umini the way aclaim ukuthi unemali ufuna on that podcast. I do know ukuthi i-podcast and chill has a lot of money and they're getting paid a lot of money, but I don't think umuntu oclaim ukuthi unemali njengomini will go and work for that podcast, because I don't think that podcast bayabanika 50k a month. No, I get cause of convinced with abaning 50k a month. So someone who's affording with a bag at if you don't own a bag, you have 20k, unama 100 and something k. Why would you go and work there and knowing good to you working there? And I feel like ba umuntu uyazazi ukuthi nqondo yakho igijima ifike phi, and now you trending now, you are born isinkwa sakho sizomoshakala. You understand? And if you are downgrading women will stop buying your piece. Because when the product that you are selling, the product that belongs to you, your target market, most of the time, abafazi, because most of the time, abafazi. If you accept abafazi, are gay people, we understand ukuthi uzolahlekelwa isinkwa sakho just because of papa. Nokufuna ukuba relevant into so wrong. So uLondi makayeke i-podcasting, guys. uLondi makayeke i-podcasting, uLondi makayeke nje i-podcasting moya engcwele, achubeke ngempilo yakhe, sibone ngabagcaphucaphu. So we are looking forward for ishow kaLondi. Maphalisana nesimo kuthiwa kuyongena ishow kaLondi. I don't know uLondi osinika which content as, but sizoyibukela ke ngoba sikasinikile content ukukhuluma ngabanye abafazi. I guess even though that shows abe kuyinto ukuthi ucela abanye abafazi phansi. And to those people abathi sonke sawenza abaphutha sidakiwe, masidakiwe thina sidelela abanye abantu. Ayiqale lapho nje. We've seen a lot of women baya ku-podcast and chill badakiwe. I've never seen umfazi okhuluma njengo Dineo the way uLondi ayenzile, or ngomunye umuntu the way uLondi ayenzile. uLondi one, she's the one who started the topic. Most of the time, the topic is first part. It's a color make sure but no, now we started the topic. Bathi bayamkhuza and they don't entertain her. Usal said, you look like the girl. I feel like equal a lot. What do I have a horse face? Do I have a horse? So very that means she started the topic just because she wanted to degrade Udineo. And ukwatele nje indaba yalo mfana abathandana nayo yalo bhuti abathandana nayo nalo bhuti mina nguye bengizomlahla I don't analyze because manje abantu bamguduza baze bamthole simbone ba ukuthi oh this is the guy. And being in business, business awafunde lokutrendela into ezingekho ama-client azophula out just because when I've decided to date umuntu ongakwazi ukuthi athathe pressure from your ex. No, mangabe ufuna umuntu ongana-ex zikhandelo wakho umuntu, especially wena une-history nje zikhandelo wakho umuntu, uzikhulisele yena uzaba yi-one lapho kuye naye makakhula it's not guaranteed ukuthi angeke ashele abanye abantu. So, but please comment down below and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.